Today we looked at useful words, les mots utiles, in lesson 7. So we're going to go over a couple of them, and we're just going to make sure we understand where these verbs or where these words are placed in relation to the verb in your sentences. Okay, so I've got bien, which means well, très bien, very well, mal, poorly, badly, toujours, always, souvent, often, rarement, rarely, un peu, a little. These are just some of the words that we learned today in the book. These words never come between the subject and the verb in French. In English, sometimes they do, but never in French. They always come after the verb. So let's look at a few sentences and pay close attention to the last one. Je nage très bien. I swim very well. Je chante mal. I sing badly, poorly, comme tu veux. Elle étudie souvent le français. She studies often French, or she often studies French. Nous regardons beaucoup la télé. We watch a lot of TV. Il n'écoute pas souvent la radio. He doesn't listen to the radio often. He doesn't often listen to the radio. So, placement in this one is really important for us to look at. Il n'écoute pas souvent la radio. This is the negative, the ne and the pas. And remember from your lessons on ne pas, they have to go around and hug. I always say they've got to hug the conjugated verb. My verb is here. This word souvent, which is on our list of useful words, comes after the verb. And since the verb is in the negative, that means it comes after the pas. This is where it gets a little bit tricky, so you need to make sure you remember that even with the ne pas, I've got to get the pas in, and then I put these words in here for us. So, je nage très bien, je chante mal, elle étudie souvent le français, nous regardons beaucoup la télé, il n'écoute pas souvent la radio. Ne pas is part of the verb in this sense.